Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Cronus Zen Gamesir Pro. First, open your browser and go to the official Cronus website. Then, download Zen Studio, which is the software used to configure your Cronus Zen. Install the program on your computer and open it once the installation is complete. Now, connect your Cronus Zen to your PC using a USB cable. Then, allow the drivers to install automatically if prompted. After that, Zen Studio should recognize the device. Here, you can load scripts and profiles, update firmware, map buttons, and manage connected devices. Next, go to Settings, then select Firmware. Now, click Check for updates and install any available update. After that, restart Zen Studio to make sure the update is applied properly. Keeping the firmware updated improves performance and stability. Now, it's time to connect your Gamesir Pro controller. If you are using a wired connection, then plug the Gamesir Pro into one of the Zen's USB host ports using a USB-C to USB-A cable. After that, wait a few seconds, and the Zen should automatically detect the controller. If you prefer wireless, then you can connect via Bluetooth or a dedicated receiver. First, put the controller into pairing mode. Then, in Zen Studio, go to Devices and start Bluetooth scan. Now, select your controller from the list and complete the pairing process. If you are using the wireless receiver instead, then plug the receiver into the Zen's USB host port. After that, the controller should connect automatically. For better stability, you can use a powered USB hub if needed. Next, connect the Cronus Zen to your console, PC or Android device using the correct USB cable. If your device has a USB-C port, then use a USB-C to USB-C cable. If you are connecting to a PlayStation, Xbox or any USB-A port, then use a USB-A to USB-C cable. Make sure the Zen's main USB cable goes directly to your console or device. Then ensure your controller remains connected to the Zen's USB host port. Double check that all cables are secure and firmly plugged in. After that, return to the Zen Studio and load your private profile. Here, you can enable features like aim assist adjustments, rapid fire, controller remaps, or other game-specific settings. Then, save the profile directly to the Zen device. If you want to customize buttons further, go to Control Mapping in Zen Studio. Assign the buttons the way you prefer, then save and test. This allows you to customize Gamesir Pro controls for any game. Finally, for better performance, use a powered USB hub if you are using a wireless receiver. Turn off Bluetooth on your device if it causes interference, and keep your controller fully charged. Once everything is connected and configured, your setup is ready to use. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.